This is chili, but it's hot dog chili.
Hot dog chili!
We're basically using hot dogs as you would like ground beef. So we have hot dog in here, we pulse it, and basically what we're doing is we're making ground hot dogs, and then in our pot...
Beef, you're browning the bits of hot dog.
And you've taught me how to cook like this, Rachel, because sometimes I'm running around here crazy and like, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna ground up some hot dogs. So in my pot right here, what I've started is, again, the makings of a delicious chili. You have in here, you have peppers, you have some hatch green chilies,
garlic,
you have corn, you have the chilies. So this is my favorite part. Usually you would add stock or something to a chili.
Right.
But here I've just harvested some local hot dog water. So you use that as your liquid.
Lovely.
Here's the chili that's been simmering for a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of these butter beans, just 2 cans. You don't have to rinse your beans. I like the thickening element that's in the can, right?
I like the starchy quality of the liquid that's in the can with it.
Exactly, I'm adding that, and then just to sweeten it up a little bit, I'm gonna add sour gum, all right? So this is very similar to molasses. You can use molasses if you want.
You could use a drizzle of molasses, right?
Exactly. So you're gonna plate that chili.
Plate
and we
that
have all these amazing toppings over here, Rach. One of my favorites is right here, hot dog bun croutons. That's right.
Shut up.
Hot dog bun croutons, a little bit of sour cream, a little bit of our hot dog bun croutons, lots of cheese, lots of cilantro, a little sweet pickle relish.